What's up, everybody? This is Zero, and I'm going to show you how to use cards and the end screen. So, you go to the settings, you hit cards, like so. You turn. So, with this, you can add a card to pop up on the screen. You can, in this line right here, you can choose wherever you want use this line right here to choose where you want your card to be. Once you position it to wherever you want to, then let's say I don't want it to be too. In my case, I want it to be maybe put it like a minute. Well, I mean, I can't get it exact. Let's get the screen. Okay, 30 seconds. All right. So we got 30 seconds. 30 seconds in, add a card. Now you have video or playlist, channel, poll if you want to have a poll with the viewers, or link to an approved website, which I think you probably have to be part of the YouTube partner program. If you don't know what that is, that's how you get monetized, pretty much. Now, I don't know the whole process with it because I haven't been monetized. I have enough subscribers or watch time to do that, but I'm assuming if you get the partner program, that's what the link will have. Let's see, it even has a question mark. Here's what I thought. So let's do it. In this case, let's promote. We'll promote a playlist, and we'll do Zero's gameplay. We'll add it. Oh yeah, I forgot. And you can edit as well. You can add a message. Customize it. And you can write whatever you want on here. But I'll put catch up on my other game screen. Or gaming screen, or whatever. Alright. Oh, I went over. Okay, well, you can only put so much in here. So I'll put that. I'll put past gaming. Or past game streams, yeah. I don't know if there's a perfect way of drawing people's attention, but I'm sure you'll figure it out and save that. And then let's see. See what happens. Go to the video. See that? Past game streams. That's how you get the card in there. So now we're gonna go back into back into the settings for, you know, the editing and all that. I'm sure you know where to go when you're editing out your video, and then you have end stream right here. And however you want to end it, you can put like your channel or your video or playlist, you know, pretty much same thing, or promoting subscriptions to your channel. Let's try that. See, there you go. Shows shows the symbol of your channel right there, and then you may have a video. You can choose the most recent video you have. If you want people to go and watch that, they can, or you can let YouTube decide the best video for your viewers to go see, or you can choose a video of your own or a playlist. These are all very good. These are all options you can pick. So I think I'll do my most recent upload, and then once you have that, you can move it anywhere you want. So matter of fact, I'm gonna move this to the side and have this one right here, and then you can add a playlist as well. And I'm going to choose a video playlist. I'm going to choose Zero's Gameplay. So then I can move this right over here. Okay, well, I guess I'll probably have to put that in the center. Move that over a little bit. Alright. And with that, you save it. There you go. Now let's check out YouTube and see how that worked out. And there we go. So we'll just save it like that, and I think that'll be it. So that's how you learn to use end screen and cards. So let's check out these. See, you have templates to choose from. You can even import it in screen if you wanted to. So there you go. There you have it. So and then you got a preview. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching, and have a great night or a day, whatever time you're at. Hold us about my precious people. I'll see you later.